The inspiration came from my early childhood, always being connected to the land. And I think it's important to have those conversations and dialogue and connect with our community, especially the BIPOC community in New Orleans, with nature, because it is healing and it's mental health. My name is Jamar Pierre, visual artist and designer, community connection to nature, lead artist for this project.
My name is Theron Ratliff, and I am here as a staff of Northern Night in support of lead artist Jamar Pierre for the Audubon Nature Center project. It's been a part of my practice working with youth for a while in different capacities. It's always interesting to see sort of what they can learn outside of the sort of task at hand. I think what Mosaic had to offer was considering the process of like creating designs, cutting the tiles, laying the tiles, you know. I think being able to introduce them to that and them understand the patience of that medium, because it wasn't just a solo project and they had to come together and create something that had all of their input, learning to work together as a team.
Like all community public art projects, it takes a village. We all were inspired by the insects, the plants, and the birds of the Nature Center and the natural landscape we have here in Louisiana. And we just put all our ideas together to make all this amazing artwork. One thing that I've learned for 30 years of working with youth and art education is that you always have to have aesthetics and mechanics. The mechanics are knowing that these are the flora, fauna, and insects that you will see in the spring and summer times in Louisiana. The aesthetics is how to get it to be visually pleasing.
The idea mostly came together through us walking around like the nature trail at the Nature Center and taking pictures all around Joe Brown Park of different things that we saw, and then just putting them all together and like coming up with different main ideas for how we wanted it to look.
The art has been very cool to do. I never knew I could do this, or I never knew what a mosaic was originally. Knowing that we're doing this for an actual purpose to try to better a certain environment makes it a little easier to do instead of tiring. But most of all, we all eventually came together and we finished the project.